You're on camera. Now, what did you do? Look at her. She has a bunch of hay on her. Yes, I see you. Go help out your mommy. Look at her. She's just sad. Hello. Look at you. Aren't you silly? Chin Chin. Chin Chin, why do you have all that hay on you? Huh? What's it doing up there? I think this guy put it up. He's quite silly. Chin Chin.